Hi everyone, we're cooking for you today Thai green chicken curry mix using Saveur Thai mix spice, which is a dry blend of spices from Thailand and has no added preservatives, no gluten and also no artificial colours and flavours.
Instead of using stock, everybody, we actually also use the Saveur Himalayan salt and pepper, which is absolutely delightful.
And we're cooking this for you today because
we love our Thai food. We could eat it every day of the week, and this is the most authentic one we can come up with.
We'll also provide the recipe for you to download at the end.
So the first thing we're going to do is heat up the oil, olive oil preferably, and then we'll add our beautiful fragrances, starting with fresh ginger, fresh garlic, fresh chilies, and then our favourite spices belt.
Add some Saveur Thai mix, a couple of tablespoons, as it's a layered approach, right Anthony? So
exactly.
You really need to get those flavours aromatic.
And this Himalayan salt and pepper as well. So we heat all that off until it's fragrant. After that, we then add our vegetables. Once that's been fried for about 5 minutes, the flavours are coming through, but what do we do next?
Add some more of the Saveur Thai mix, another couple of tablespoons so we get that layered approach happening.
Keep the flavour going through the dish, everybody. That is the key to this dish. Then we add the chicken, and once again, it's up to you, but I like to add another 1 to 2 tablespoons of the Thai mix.
You control the heat as to how much you want to put in, but layer it to get that flavour happening.
There you go, Belle, all ready to go.
That looks absolutely fantastic, Anthony. And simply just serve this dish with some jasmine rice and a sprig of fresh coriander on top, a couple of sliced red chilies if you want a little extra heat. And remember to check our website for the recipe and also check out our other fantastic spices.